Hey there, traders and market enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tradecoolment, your go-to place for simplified trading insights. Today, we are diving into the action-packed Nifty 23,200 call and put charts for January 21st Street. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to read these charts and plan your next move like a pro. Let's get started. Alright, first up is the Nifty 23,200 call chart. What do we see here? The price has dropped to 184, down a steep 31%. It's a tough day for the bulls, but let's focus on the key levels that really matter. At the top, we have a strong resistance at 346.85. This is like a solid ceiling, breaking through it will need strong buying momentum. Below it is the very strong resistance at 324.43, another hurdle to watch out for. Moving lower, the 23,300 CA open interest level is at 263.30, showing significant trader activity at this point. Now, here's where things get interesting, the buy above level at 204.60. If the price moves above this, it could signal a bullish breakout. But what about the downside? Keep an eye on the support level at 128.43. If the price breaks below this, bears might take control, pushing it even lower. Now, shifting gears to the Nifty 23,200 put chart. Here's the twist, while the call chart saw a drop, the put price has risen to 150.20, up by a solid 14.36%. That's a clear sign of increasing bearish sentiment. Let's decode the levels. The strong resistance and very strong resistance are the same here, at 346.85 and 324.43. They're major zones to watch. The 23,200 CE and pay open interest level, at 163.30, marks the tug of war between bulls and bears, a highly contested level. On the downside, the support level at 128.43 is a key defensive point. If the price stays above this, it can provide stability. And finally, the 23,100 PA open interest level at 63.30 acts as the ultimate support, a crucial line in the sand for the put side. So, what's the big picture? Both the call and put charts show critical resistance and support zones, giving you clear entry and exit points. If you are trading options, these levels are your roadmap to success. But remember, no matter how tempting the market looks, risk management is always your best friend. If you're pumped to take your trading to the next level, smash that like button, subscribe to Tradecoolment, and hit the bell icon for more actionable insights. Got questions or want me to analyze a specific chart? Drop it in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.